Hey guys, Dave Kozak with Paradigm College Planning, and this is some elite college knowledge. We talk a lot about cleaning up social media, and people wonder what that means. Why should we clean up our social media? Why does it matter? Well, as you're applying to colleges, it's vitally important that what you put out on the internet and the web are positive reflections of yourself. So you don't want to have the wrong content there, the wrong pictures, the wrong likes, the wrong message. The idea behind social media is that it should be a platform for a student to look tremendous to the schools. Not all schools are going to necessarily look at your social media, but it is an open platform and it is kind of a public forum. Make sure your privacy settings are such that those that you wouldn't want to see something cannot see it. Make sure that you've gone through the pictures that you're tagged in that are on social media, and make sure that they're appropriate pictures. If you wouldn't like the principal of your high school or you wouldn't like your parents to see it, don't put it on there. And stay away from liking things that are questionable or would give someone the wrong impression. I'm not saying don't have opinions. That's not the point of this at all. It's that there are certain opinions that are shared and certain opinions that stay within a tighter circle. And when you put things out on the internet, it can lead to negative consequences if it's done poorly. So it's really important that those that are getting into the high school level right now should be cognizant and conscious of what they like, post, and share on social media. And those who have spent time on social media and haven't really been focused on that should definitely go back through everything that they have and make sure that they're okay with how their persona is perceived on social media. You might share it with someone else to get their opinion. How do I look on social media? How does this portray me? But again, if you're doing volunteer work and things like that, all great stuff to put out there. The colleges, as competition rises in the environment of higher education, colleges are using anything they can to get an edge to better define and try and categorize a candidate for admission. So if the social media is present, they're going to try and look at it and see how you portray yourself out to the world versus how you look on paper. So it is very important that you clean up your social media, and the goal is to have a positive perception, a positive electronic perception. If there are things that you can't undo, someone else's post or somebody else's picture of you, reach out to them and see if they can't shut it down. If you're traveling and things like that and you're experiencing things, it's all great stuff to put out there. I'm not saying take that type of stuff down, but anything you think is questionable, if you're not proud of it and you wouldn't want everyone to know about it and you wouldn't want the college to know about it, I wouldn't put it out there. So that's our tip. Make sure your social media is cleaned up. If you're a client of Paradigm College Planning and you have access to our elite college knowledge library, there is a document in there that is cleaning up your social media. So I look forward to giving more advice as we get further into the college setting.